Today marks one of the most exciting moments for all Star citizens. Invictus Launch Week 2955 has arrived. Citizens from every corner of the universe have jumped to one place, one point, one legendary destination, Area 18 on ArcCorp. This historic event unites us all to witness the strength, legacy, and pride of the UEE Navy. But where did it all begin? Let's take a brief journey into the history behind Invictus Launch Week. Originally founded centuries ago, Invictus was created as a military tradition in the United Empire of Earth. Its name, Invictus, comes from Latin, meaning unconquered, a perfect symbol of the Navy's enduring might. It began as the official start of the annual naval recruitment drive, where new cadets were welcomed into service, and marked the ceremonial launch of powerful capital ships and fleet deployments. The earliest records date all the way back to the early 26th century. Over time, Invictus evolved. 1. Military parade origins. Initially, a private celebration for Navy personnel and UEE officials. 2. Public access ship tours, later opened to civilians who could walk the decks of iconic ships like the Idris and Javelin. Manufacturer involvement. Major shipbuilders like Anvil Aerospace, Aegis Dynamics, Origin Jump Works, and Drake Interplanetary joined in, showcasing the very best in military technology. 4. Symbol of power. Today, Invictus is more than tradition. It's a powerful symbol of unity, strength, and technological superiority across the Empire. Since 2020, or 2950 in-game, Star Citizen has brought Invictus Launch Week to life 6 times, each year expanding on its scale and immersion. This year's event continues the tradition with UEE Navy flyovers, capital ship tours, free fly access to dozens of ships, rotating expo halls, exclusive sales and reveals, commemorative in-game items. Whether you're a new pilot or a battle-hardened veteran, Invictus 2955 is your time to explore, engage, and experience the future of the verse. Let's dive in. May 15th, 2025. Just 15 minutes before the Invictus Launch Week 2955 opening ceremony, I began preparing. I threw on my favorite shirt, the one with the Idris P printed across the chest. It's more than just a ship. This year, it's the star of the entire event. I headed to the capsule train, bound for the new Babbage spaceport. My ride, the Corsair. Destination, Area 18 on ArcCorp. Yeah, I know, it was early, but I've got a bit of a time phobia. I have to be ahead of schedule. So there I was, cruising through the black, lost in thought, wondering what surprises Invictus might hold this year. And then I arrived. Area 18 was buzzing with life. But I wasn't ready for what I saw next. Can you see that? That's not a concept render. That's not a holo. That is a real, flyable Idris P right in front of me. Someone was actually flying it, bringing it down for landing in the hangar. My jaw dropped. After all these years, it's finally here, and that moment, it made every second of the wait worth it. Invictus 2955 just became legendary. After landing in the hangar and stepping out of the elevator, I was instantly immersed in something extraordinary. It wasn't just a game anymore. It was an experience. The level of detail was beyond anything I expected. You could feel how much effort the developers and artists at CIG poured into making this moment real for every citizen. Guiding signs, welcoming banners, carefully placed lighting. It was all designed to draw you into the atmosphere and make sure you didn't feel lost, but guided and welcomed. As I made my way to the train platform, I noticed how thoughtfully everything was arranged. You're presented with a choice: head toward the Idris experience or visit the Invictus Center Hall exhibition. Even inside the train, the details didn't stop. Invictus logos, guiding symbols, and those signature blue and gold colors. The entire event radiated a sense of luxury and royalty. It felt like a celebration, but also a ceremony, a tribute to the spirit of the UEE and its mighty fleet. And when the train finally arrived at the destination, the first thing I saw was the UEE logo, surrounded by banners of celebration. This wasn't just another in-game event. This was a universe in motion, a moment of unity, a historical gathering. Right after stepping out, I found the full timeline of the event displayed, clear, accessible, and beautifully designed. Invictus Launch Week, 2955 schedule, May 15th to 16th, Aegis Dynamics, Greycat Industrial, featuring Avenger Series, Gladius, Hammerhead, Redeemer, Saber, Vanguard line, and more. May 17th to 18th, RSI, Origin Jumpworks, Argo, including Constellation variants, Scorpius, Aurora LN 325A, Ursa Rover, and more. May 19th to 20th, Mirai MISC Consolidated Outland with Fury, Mustang Delta, Freelancer MIS, Reliant Tana, Starfarer Gemini, and more. May 21st, 22, Crusader Industries Tumbrel, showcasing Hercules Fleet, Cyclones, Ares Ion Inferno, Mercury Star Runner, Storm, and others. May 23-24, Anvil Aerospace, featuring Carrack, F-8C Lightning, Hornets MiG-2, Pisces, Spartan, Terrapin, Valkyrie, and more. May 25th, Drake Interplanetary, with Corsair, Cutlass variants, Caterpillar, Dragonfly, Vulture, Mule, and the new Golem. May 26 to 27, Finale Days. All ships from previous days become available to rent for free. Seeing that information laid out so clearly right in front of me, it made the whole event even more meaningful. It's not just a show, it's a tribute to Star Citizen's legacy and its future. I've never seen this many citizens gathered in one place like I did today, still 3 minutes before the event started, and yet people were everywhere, waiting patiently, excitedly, even inside the elevators. Everyone wanted to be the first to enter the event hall, and when the elevator terminal finally showed the event floor was open, we all rushed in together. Why wouldn't I? I'm one of the citizens too. This moment belongs to all of us. Now, I won't talk about every ship today. I want to keep this video from becoming too long or boring. If it already is, please don't hate me. I'm just trying my best to honestly share this incredible experience with all of you. So, I'll focus on 2 major ships that stood out for me during the event. The first one, the Starlancer TAC from MISC, Role, Combat Patrol, Max Crew 6. Built for deep space missions, the Starlancer TAC takes the rugged Starlancer chassis and upgrades it for serious offense and defense. It's equipped with 4 massive side-mounted turrets, a cargo bay supporting 96 SCU, and 8 drop seats for soldiers. And to protect those troops during deployment, it has heavy covering guns to lay down fire while soldiers exit the ship. But that's just the beginning. Inside, the ship features 2 medical beds, giving it a critical support role in combat zones. I was lucky enough to access the upper level, where I saw the crew quarters with hibernation pods, a kitchen, a bathroom, and even a snub ship hangar bay. Yes, it can actually carry a small support craft inside. It's incredibly well equipped, practically a mobile operations base, but I have to admit, it was packed inside. Citizens crowded every corner, exploring and inspecting every detail. It got so tight, I felt like I was in a sardine can, barely able to breathe, but that's the reality. This isn't just an event, it's a reflection of life in the verse. We're all here, expressing our passion for this universe, experiencing reality within this new kind of reality.
The second ship I want to talk about, well, this isn't just a ship. It's the star of the entire event, the Idris P from Aegis Dynamics, a capital-class combat frigate with a max crew of 28 people. Yes, 28. I honestly don't know how anyone can find 28 people to run this thing. It's like flying an entire military city. Idris P, Aegis Dynamics, max crew 28, cargo 1374, SCU, turrets 7x2, size 5 1x2, size 5 4x2, size 4 6 size 1. This thing isn't just powerful, it's overwhelming. I stepped inside and immediately felt lost. This isn't a ship, it's a maze. Multiple levels, endless rooms, and each one has a purpose I barely understand. I found the captain's room, and no joke, it's like a luxury suite, private office, bedroom, and even a private bathroom. Then I saw another bathroom, then another. I lost count. One of them was so massive, I thought it might be for the entire crew. Then the medical bay. It's like a small hospital. 4 medical beds and an operating room.
This ship is literally ready for war and for healing after war. The bridge is massive. Co-pilot seats, tactical stations, and in the center, a glowing holographic tactical map.
Like something out of a sci-fi movie. There's even a briefing room, I assume, for crew meetings, mission planning, or just figuring out how not to get lost. Wait, what room is this again? I'll be honest with you, there are rooms I found that I still don't know what they're for, controls I don't understand, monitors and buttons I didn't dare touch. This ship needs a manual. No. Scratch that. It needs a training course, a navigation app, and maybe even a license exam before you're allowed to fly it. The Idris P is not just a ship, it's a lifestyle. I came to this event expecting cool ships and exciting moments, but what I got was something deeper, a connection between citizens, between design and imagination, between fiction and a strange new kind of reality. From the blue and gold banners of Invictus to the crowds packed shoulder to shoulder in that elevator, from the overwhelming complexity of the Idris to the moment I realized I wasn't alone in feeling amazed, confused, and a little lost. That's the magic of Star Citizen. Not just ships, not just events, but experiences that feel truly alive. Thank you for watching and walking this journey with me. Whether you're a new citizen or a veteran commander, I hope you felt what I felt. And if you ever board the Idris P, bring a map. This is Bassam, signing off from Invictus Launch Week.